Welcome. In front of me is a NUBIA Neo 3, and today I'll show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So, to get started, you'll want to swipe down from the top of your screen, and you can swipe down again, which will extend the list of visible toggles. Next, locate the power saving mode. Oops, I just by mistake clicked on something. Let's try that again. There we go. So look for the power saving mode, which looks like it's actually not added by default. So let's do that ourselves. We're going to click right here on this pencil, swipe down, and I already see ultra power saving mode, so I'm going to add this one, and there's also the power saving mode and a normal one. I'm going to add both of them just so I can showcase each one. Now let's go back, and these toggles should be added to our toggles here. Now we're going to start off with the normal power saving mode, as this is what most people will be interested in anyway. So when you click on it, it should turn on. It looks like a dead end. Or it did apparently. Okay, so it looks like it's running, though I can't really, okay, I can tell in the refresh rate. So it does change the refresh rate. It's at 60 frames per second now. But other than that, there's almost no visual difference. There's no info right here. There is no dark mode or anything like that. So it seems like a pretty minimal power saving mode. Now, one of the things that power saving mode does that isn't necessarily visible is it disconnects from Wi-Fi and mobile data when the device is not being in use. So that will result in notifications from applications that require internet connection to either not be delivered or being delivered to you in a delay. So either one of those could be the case right here. And if that is happening to you and that's something that matters to you, having notifications delivered to you on time, turn that off. Now going back to the ultra power saving mode, you can click on that and gives us quick message, enable ultra power saver to bring maximum battery to your phone. And this mode will restrict the number of apps that start automatically and restrict the background activity of apps. With this mode on screen, whatever, we're just going to click on OK and it's going to be visible. So that's basically why I was saying that most people will be interested in the normal power saving mode. It removes wallpapers, gets rid of applications from your home screen, and all it does is prioritizes battery life, which is displayed right here. This is what's the most important part here. Now to leave this mode, you will have to click right here on this exit and OK. So there we go. Those are the two different modes. The ultra power saving mode basically does everything that the normal one does, plus more, as you've seen. So this might not be a mode that you would be interested in most of the time, but sometimes, hey, who knows? Maybe you're stranded on an island and you want your phone to last you like, I don't know, a week. That could be a good mode. I don't know if it's still gonna last a week, but you know, it's gonna definitely last longer than you would expect. That's what she said. Anyway, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.